Students can explore various ways to earn money online that fit their schedules and skills. Here are some effective options. Freelancing. Platforms like Upwork and Fiverr allow students to offer services in writing, graphic design, programming, social media management. This provides flexibility to work on projects that match their skills. Online tutoring is another. If you excel in a subject, consider tutoring peers or younger students through websites like Chegg, Chegg tutors, or tutor.com. I'll put it in the description. And there's even content creation. Start a blog, a YouTube channel, or podcast about how passionate you are about a hobby. Share your knowledge, potentially earn through ads and sponsorships as your audience grows. Then you could also sell products or crafts. Students sell handmade crafts, artwork, digital products on platforms like Etsy and Redbubble, and that's a great way to turn hobbies into income. Then you got participating in surveys and market research. Sites like Swagbucks and Survey Junkie pay for completing surveys. I'll put it in the description. And sharing options, which can easily be a way to make extra cash. Then you got remote internships. Now basically, look for internships in your field, in your field of study that refers to opportunities to work remotely. And with these options, money managing, academic responsibilities,